Today we are making Jibbitz holders. Stay tuned for the video. So today we're making a display and storage for our Jibbitz. The three terms we're going to go over in today's video are diameter, clasp, and friction fit. One thing's for certain, if you're an entrepreneur or a seller in the market, you may have seen these guys on your Crocs or different accessories. These are Jibbitz or shoe charms. And one thing that I do is actually sell some of these. What I wanted to do was find a good way to display this product so that way my customers can actually look through and pick which ones they want without digging through a bin or a basket. So that's what we're going to do today. A brief history: Sherry and Rich Schmelzer actually invented the Jibbitz, and they started off using rhinestones and clay. Later on in 2006, Crocs actually bought their Jibbitz for $10 million. This business was actually a stay-at-home, home-based business. So that's a very encouraging fact for a lot of you that are entrepreneurs, independent workers, and work from home. You basically can invent something that will be established amongst companies. They see it and they'll want to buy it from you. All right, so let's go ahead and get into Inkscape. Okay, I wanted to start with the actual design of this particular Jibbitz holder right here. And you can see that there's basically these circles spaced out about 10 millimeters apart. And basically you just want to arrange these designs how you want to. Okay, so the first thing we can do is start with our circles. So I'm just going to particularly draw my circle here and just trying to get a, pretty decent size. It's okay at this point if it's bigger. The width and height that I want to set for this is 10 millimeters by 10. To show your grid, you're going to go to View and Show Grid. All right, and as you can see, the grid is here. Now, what you can do is space it out based on millimeters and units. You can go to Grids and Guides and then decide how far you want the spacing out. Be this side. And then bring it over here. And really you can make any shape that you want. It's just a matter of, how you want to set yours up. Okay, so this is the layout I decided on. So I'm going to add a little bit of text to it, and then we're going to send it over to the laser. All right, let's go ahead and do a quick test fit. Okay, now the thinner the cardboard you use, the less hold it will have, and I'll show you what I mean. It's gonna stay in the hole, of course, see? But the only difference is it might move around a bit. So the other ones I showed were thicker cardboard. Let's see if we can get one more Jibbit in. And there you go, using diameter, also using a way for a friction fit, and a simple design, all will make it easier to organize your Jibbitz. Okay, so the first term we're talking about is the diameter. Now, the Jibbitz typically have an 8 millimeter diameter, but for my holder that didn't work. I had to increase it to 10 millimeters. And what your diameter basically is twice of a radius, meaning from end to end from each arc of the circle. Since a circle is 360 degrees and continuous, there is a maximum range between end to end, and that is your diameter. The term we're going to talk about is clasp. Now, this is a way for a mechanism to hold onto something without a zip tie or an alternative way to clamp something. So clasps are a way allowing you to hold something down into whatever you designed. So the third term we're going to talk about is friction fit. Now, this allows two separate objects to join or hold together based off their contact force. Now, with a friction fit, it can cause wear over time, but that friction allows things to grasp onto each other and easily be pulled out, such as a rubber contact with a metal fitting for a bit holder. Kind of using the same concept as here with the Jibbitz holder. Well guys, here's the Jibbitz holder. Something quick, nice, easy, and useful to use, especially if you're in the market for selling or organizing your Jibbitz. Now you can take the same application with a 3D printer, or you can even use a drill bit in a solid piece of wood so that bit is at least 10 millimeters thick. So guys, it takes a lot of work and time to make these videos, and any support that you show will be greatly appreciated. So if you're interested in getting the files for this Jibbitz holder, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you would like to support the channel, I have an online shop and also other channels that you can visit, as well as support links in the description below. Guys, take care. Hope to see you soon on the next video.